guys, Doug Rucker here with Doug Rucker School, PressureCleaningschool.com and DougRuckerStore.com. Here at Gerald's, we're doing a little work on the flatbed, doing all the plumbing for the tanks, and it's time for us to drill our holes and put in our bulkhead fittings. One of the things that I do when I'm drilling to keep plastic out of the bottom of the tank, the shavings, is I'll use a little bowl or a cup or something. And so what I'll do is take where I'm going to drill, and I'll put this, reach underneath, I'll put that right up against the top side on the underside of it. And now I'm going to drill my hole. You want to be careful you don't go too far, smash your fingers. Okay, now once I've drilled the hole, I'm going to take a little piece of sandpaper. I'm just going to drill on the underside. I drill the sand and get the little burrs off from the plastic. Just kind of clean it up a little bit. Then I'm going to slowly grab my little bowl, because you don't want to drop it, and pull it out of the tank. Now you have no plastic inside the tank. All that stuff goes in there. Now, if you happen to drop this or you get some shavings, you can take a little broom handle or a piece of stick like this, wooden dowel, tape it to your vacuum cleaner. You can go down and you can clean all inside the tank out. You can also take a piece of PVC, run it up through here, tape it, however you want to do it. But the easiest, fastest way I found is to hold something underneath, a bowl or a big gulp cup or something underneath it. And when you drill, all those shavings will go down into the bottom of that. Just be careful pulling it out, okay? Hope that helped you guys. If we can help you in any way, just give us a call, text us, 281-883-3630. Gerald's walking behind me, so I got to talk loud.